Hi, and welcome to this amazing section that we are going to understand the different ways that we can interact with our activity and how we interact with other components and apps from our activity. In this video, we are going to explore intents. As we mostly use intents for interacting with activities, mostly beginner developers think it's the only thing that intents do. But intents have a wide range of usage. An intent is a message object you can use to request an action from other app components. So we know that an intent is an abstract description of an operation to be performed, and there are many ways they handle communication between components. But three fundamentals are starting an activity, starting a service, delivering a broadcast, and these last two are so out of our scope, but we will cover the first one briefly in next video. To understand intents better, let's see what information are in an intent. Data. The data to operate on, such as a person, record in the contact database, and expressed as a URI. Data. The data to operate on, such as a person record in the contacts database, expressed as a URI. Actions, which are about general action to be performed, such as action view, action detail, action view, action edit, action main, and so on. There are two types of intents, explicit and implicit. Explicits are typically used in your own app because you know the class name of the activity or service you want to start. For example, you might start a new activity within your app in response to a user action or start a service to download a file in the background. Implicits do not name a specific component, but instead declare a general action to perform, which allows a component from another app to handle it. For example, if you want to show the user a location on a map, you can use an implicit intent to request that another capable app show a specific location on a map. We will use intents in both ways in this section. So stay tuned